Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Settings and tapping your name at the top. This brings up Apple ID and iCloud controls. You need to be signed in, otherwise location sharing won't link to your account. Once signed in, make sure iCloud is active and location services are enabled under privacy. These steps let the device authorize location access and sync location to iCloud. After that, go back to the main settings screen and prepare to open the Messages or Find My app to begin sharing. Open the Find My app and select the People tab, then tap Share My Location or Start Sharing Location to begin. Choose a contact from your list or enter a phone number or Apple ID. This ensures the right person receives your location. Next, pick the duration, 1 hour until end of day or share indefinitely. This controls how long they can track you. Finally, confirm and tap Send. Find My registers the permission with iCloud, so the contact can view your live location. You can also share location within Messages. Open a conversation, tap the contact name, choose Info, then Share My Location and set the duration. To end sharing, open Find My or the Messages info screen for that person and tap Stop Sharing Location. If the location is not updating or the recipient can't see you, make sure your device has cellular or Wi-Fi, you're signed into iCloud, and location services are enabled. If problems persist, restart the phone and recheck the contact's Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.